Collins.
Meaning. Collins refers to a respected English dictionary providing definitions, pronunciations, and usage examples for English words. It is published by HarperCollins in Glasgow in 2009. The pronunciation of Collins consists of two syllables. Col. Ins.
Collins. Collins. Collins.
Let's talk about why using the Collins Dictionary is good for people learning English, with examples. Collins helps you remember words by telling you their origin. Collins covers many words, helping learners understand a wide vocabulary. Collins provides easy-to-understand meanings of words, making it simple for learners to grasp. These were the benefits of using the Collins Dictionary in example sentences for those keen on learning vocabulary through books. However, with the emergence of new online learning methods, we encourage you to explore our YouTube channel. Over the past 7 months, we've created over 200 videos dedicated to British pronunciation and vocabulary. Stay connected and keep learning with Vocabulary House Official.